guys, welcome to this side of my room. As you can see, I have a new desk. I got this desk about 3 months ago. As you can see, I have not set it up yet. So that is my goal for this video. By the end of this, it will be looking nice and organised. Hopefully some shelves, organisy bits. For those who don't know, I run a small business called Delicat where I do J fashion inspired and cat inspired accessories. So that is why I got this desk, just so I could have a dedicated workspace to do all of that in, to film in. I thought you could come with me while I set this all up and get it looking nice. I got this desk for free, by the way. Oh my god, I think it was literally in January. Okay, don't want to get into my procrastination right now. But I saw it and it was listed for like 50 quid or something, and I was like, okay, I know I want a desk, but I need to know that I'm gonna, you know, commit to this Delicat bit first before I spend 50 quid on a desk. And then the next time I looked, it was free, so I did go and pick it up that day. I think it's perfect. I think it's a good size. We are going to cut a bit of this, I think, just so we can move the room around a bit, so we can put our drawers next to boring stuff. But I think it's perfect. I think, yeah, great size. I need to get a proper desk chair as well. It would be nice to get something a bit more lightweight. Yeah, hopefully fill this all up. Yeah, mission one is buying, I think, drawers. Definitely need to buy some shelves. I don't really mind what kind. I just need something big enough to fit all my resin dyes and moulds and stuff on, and whatever containers I get, just so they can all be up out the way. Because although it is a good size, it's quite thin, so I don't want to use up workspace with like drawers and stuff. Yeah, step one, shelves and boxes and things. Hi everyone, I am just on my way to Cardiff, meeting up with a friend there, hoping to get some cute desk organiser bits. I have high hopes for Miniso and Primark and stuff. I just really want some cute bits for my desk so I can start getting that sorted, and I thought I would bring you along with me, so let's go. It's not for me, Morning everyone. Today I am off to B&M to look for some shelves, so I thought you could join me. I'm on the hunt for 3, I think, white shelves, just so I can maximise as much surface space on my desk as possible. I want a couple up here and maybe one on this side with a pegboard I'm on the hunt for, but I'm not sure if they do them, so I might have to order that. Not quite sure, never done this before, but I thought I would bring you along to B&M with me so we can hunt for some shelves. Hey guys, this is the shelf I ended up getting today. It was £10, which I feel is quite expensive, but it's just a nice plain one. I'm thinking of painting it, which is why I didn't want one that was already white, because I want to put it on a white wall. So I'm thinking today of painting this bit pink and these bits red to go with the strawberry theme I've got going on over there. So let's give it a go.
Kiss you back.
Favour of my life.
You'll be leaving the matter.
You'll probably drive.
If you're ready to commit, then seal it with a kiss.
This is how the shelf came out. I think it's so cute. The plan for this, I think, is on the white wall actually. This is going to move to cover some holes that were left by our old TV stand. So that's going to move. I think that there is so cute. There's still space for, I'm on the hunt for a pegboard. Underneath, I think that's, it's perfect, it's perfect. I was a bit worried about doing the mismatched, but I think it looks so cute.
Stay really still like I'm a tripod. Is that nice and flush? Yay!
This is where we're at. We've kind of hit a wall now, so everything's just kind of plonked in place. But tomorrow I will have another go at it and hopefully set it up better. Afternoon, everyone. I have purple hair now. That's how long this desk is taking. It is so hot in the UK right now. It's like 28 degrees. I'm sweating. I do not want to put the fan on because I know the microphone will just pick it up, so I'm just dying. The things I do for you guys. I thought today we could finally put stickers and stuff in my new desk organisers, as well as maybe sorting out, I've got some little plastic drawers to put tissue paper and stuff in. Thought we could sort that out and make that area look a bit nicer. I'm not going to show you what it looks like right now. Not good. Not good. It's a state. So I'm going to sort that out now, and I thought you could help me. Help distract me from melting alive. Hello. Okay, you are precariously balanced on my fan. I still don't have a tripod yet. That is next steps as well, I think. I've got all of my bits here. So yeah, I thought we could organise them together. In this big one, I'm thinking of putting all of our stud earrings because they are currently in this from Grace's pegboard and they are not very organised. So yeah, I was thinking they can go in here. I'm going to put dies and stuff in this one, I think. Then from Primark I got all of these. They are not all on colour scheme, but I couldn't leave them behind. The only one I didn't get was Bats, and that was only because I didn't know they sold him. As you can see, these ones were on sale in the Swansea Primark, and it wasn't until I went to Cardiff that I was like, oh, there's more. But yeah, there's these. I will peel off the stickers at some point, but I was thinking in here could go all of my thank you cards and backing cards for earrings, and then in these that I got from Miniso, my little strawberry Hello Kitties, can go all of my resin molds, I think. I'm sure this will change throughout me setting this up, but for now I think that is the best way to keep everything organised and use the space that I've got. If I rearrange it, I'm sure I'll let you know. I'm also going to put my thank you stickers in one of these as well. Yeah, enough yapping, let's do this. I think I'm gonna actually put my molds in here because I overestimated how many molds I actually had, and this does not need a whole 2 drawers, but they should fit nicely in here, so let's see. Ah, yeah, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna put them in there. I don't have any resin right now. I am waiting to order some more, so when I do, that can go in there as well. I already know these are going to fall over and piss me off. So we'll see how long this lasts. These are my hardware bits. They're of course also on colour scheme. Again, it seems like too much of a big container to put them in, but I think it will work just for now, you know? I also have this pot that I've had since I was in like year 8 or 9 that I put all my pens and bits in, and I thought maybe, oh yeah, I think that's cute there. Just to kind of cover up the lamp a bit. Again, this will probably all change, but it's nice to feel like it's actually coming together. I just need a pegboard. I think I'm gonna order one from IKEA, and I need to get some things on this wall. It's so white and boring. I'm probably not gonna put as much on this side, obviously, because it's already filled with strawberries, but definitely need some cute bits on this side. Just some inspo pics, some art that my girlfriend has done. She's an artist, Gracie Bart, Spawn, love you. And she did a collection ages and ages ago that's like fruits and stuff, so I think that would be cute up here. Yeah, just kind of waiting now for things that I've ordered to turn up. I hate this bit. I wish everything could come immediately, but I'm happy with where we are for now. Yeah, I just need bits on the walls, pegboard, shelves, done. This is super off topic, super not planned. Ignore the mess. I'm in my jammies. This is a mess. I have mastered Procreate apparently. Over the past like 12 hours sat in the bedroom just doodling. I have done so many designs, including this new logo. What do you think? I have also just, I think, made my first t-shirt design. I'm gonna put a teaser here. I don't want to post it yet. but I'm thinking of doing t-shirts, and my plan was to move into more stickers and stationery by the end of this year, and then maybe I'm just excited, maybe apparel next year. But this is so cute and I am obsessed with this, so I will leave this here. If you see this, do you like it? Yeah, that's all. I just got a bit excited. I have, apparently mastered Procreate, and I've just been drawing for hours, and it's so much fun. I kind of lost my spark a little bit. Not really, but you know what I mean. Just felt a bit lost and overwhelmed, whereas now, like literally since last night, I feel my vision is so clear for the future and what I must do, and it's so nice. So I just wanted to share that with you. I am going to Bristol in a couple of days, and there is an IKEA there, so I'm gonna ask my dad to take me to IKEA, and hopefully I will return in a few days with a pegboard. Okay, bye. We made it to IKEA. Hey! So yeah, my plan is to get a pinboard today, and I was looking last night on the website, and they do pink ones. I did not know they did pink ones. So that is the goal today. My dad has never been to IKEA. This is his first ever IKEA trip. So we are obviously going to get meatballs, obviously, and walk around the entire shop. Oh yeah. So I will be back in a minute, hopefully with some pink pegboards. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think that's cute.
I'm going to call it a day on this video. There is still a few things left to do. I want to jazz up the other wall, get a mirror, put more stuff on my shelves, but that is all stuff that will come with time, and I am not sure how long this video already is. So I just wanted to say thank you for coming along with me if you've gotten this far. I think it has turned out so cute. I am so happy. I think it's perfect, it's so me, and I cannot wait to create more goodies and stickers and other things soon from this space. Yeah, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for coming along, and I will see you next time.